So this is the Garvee electric drain cleaner. Now, if you're a homeowner, if you're a professional, a handyman, you know that drain cleaners and clearing drains is one of the toughest and messiest jobs that no one looks forward to. This is why it's a great industry. I mean, if you have a machine like this and you can market yourself well, you can make a lot of money. And let me tell you, plumbers and even handyman make plenty of money with exactly this type of machine. Why is this machine so great to clean drains? This gives you 50 feet of length with the cleaner so that you can reach most any tough blockages situations. This is basically a one-man operation. Now, I don't know if you ever had drain cleaners that come with the drill and the case here with the cable and with no stand. You basically have to hold the drill, hold the stand awkward, and then feed the line into the pipe. Now, you could get away with that, but it makes it so much harder. And if you really have a tough spot and awkward clearance under a sink, in a basement or crawl space, it's gonna be super tough. So with this, you could just operate alone with full control. You do not have to touch the machine because the drill is secured to it. This is not going nowhere, and you could just feed the line with your hands, which the kit actually comes with pretty substantial gloves so that you could work this cable and protect your hands and get the job done. Now, you don't have to go back and forth to the drill to turn it on and off. It comes with this super convenient foot pedal, which you press on this, or you could put your knee on it if you're bending down on the cabinet, and your plug, which is pretty long, substantial, it plugs right in and it turns the drill on and off. So you have full control of your RPMs and start-stop capabilities. Now, another thing comes with is a host of cable bits. So this is great for getting all sorts of drains. Now, outdoor drains in the yard, you could have root cutters, you could have a pipe that goes along the edge, like these will go along the edge and cut along roots along the pipes. And you have these which will gather roots and you pull them out. All sorts of blockages. This is like the main one that you would use for sinks and indoor plumbing, because it's got like a taper here, but yet it'll dig into the grease and the muck and shake it loose and clear that drain while it's spinning. So all these attach easily to the front of the unit. Right here, it comes with a screwdriver, Phillips head, which is not a big deal. And of course, very convenient little ring so that you could keep them all together and they won't go loose. So you could put this ring on here and you won't lose these. They'll always stay with the machine. Well thought out, well thought out. So you have your instructions and you have extended surface protection. So it's nice, stable, nice carrying handle here. We could unscrew this, and this is the cable. And then here's where we attach the bit to the cable with the screw. So what we're gonna do, I have a legitimate drain that I have to clean and it's a mess. And when I was offered to try this machine to do the video, I was more than happy to say yes, because this is going to save me money and this is finally going to be able to do the job that clears the drain much easier than what I've done in the past without a stand. So I installed the bit with the screw and I'm ready to go. And let's tackle that drain that I've been trying to get to for a few years. So this is what I'm working with. This is a drain line for the sink, and the sink comes from here, then it goes down to the basement, goes into a little elbow, and then it goes into a new clear line that I cleared. Now when I opened up that line, it was super clogged, about 80 to 90% clogged, which was ridiculous. So I know there's a clog from here down to the elbow and a little bit out. So it's only a spot area, but it's like extremely clogged. So I previously been here and done that over the years. So I drilled a hole into the waistline there so I could run a snake down, because it was hard to run a snake this way and make the turn go down. So to make life easier, we broke the wall and we put an access hole, and we have it covered up with a band. And I'm gonna take off the band and run my snake down direct, and that's how we're gonna work this. So basically, here's my setup to go and work under the counter, behind the dishwasher, into the wall. So I got my snake plugged in, and my foot pedal is going to control. When I want it on, I press, hold, off, it turns off. So that's how we're going to operate it, using two hands on the cable, and not have to worry about fumbling with the machine. So get this lined up there a little bit better. Let's go to work. So finally, after frustrating years of the slow sink creeping up on me, even when I replaced that waistline in the basement, that little clog in that elbow is now free. It's probably only 50%, but that's like almost 100% improvement for me. So I have this running full, and it's been running for a while. I'm running hot water just to loosen up the grease and stuff, because that's mostly what the clog is. But it's flowing now. I can't get it full. It's not backing up. I used to run the faucet at 50% and still get water coming up super slow. And when you walk away, it will gurgle for like a minute before it actually goes down. So this is amazing. And this is only possible with a quality snake. So this is amazing, and I just recommend it. I'm gonna keep this. This is a keeper.